Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Gonna go over the top plays for tomorrow. I know this is a late video lesson. I just got the watch list out. So top plays. Oh, I did this wrong. It's gonna be PETZ, MGAM, AVCT, and SPCB and NEPT. So here we got SPCB, decent bounce off of the lows, but not a whole ton of volume. So until it really comes back for the breakout, I'm looking at this as a potential double top, dead cat bounce kind of play. But if the demand really comes back and it confirms the 44-cent breakout, I can see it getting to the next resistance area, which is going to be around 50. It's going to be a key area psychologically. And right around it, there's some highs there. A little tough time to break out around 52, 53. So that'll be the first place I'll be looking to really sell if another setup comes through with this. Next resistance area is not going to be till the 60, 65 area, but taking quick singles, looking for that 44 to 50 move, and that should be enough. Next up, we'll go over NEPT. Recent nice play. Was on the watch list last night, so this is familiar. Just looking for that bounce play. Looks like volume is fading more and more. Having a hard time breaking two, making a higher low today, and the lows are tightening. So could be something to keep an eye on if the momentum comes back, starts flipping it over and breaking to new highs like AVCT today, which is going to be on watch as well. Um, so this was on watch for multi-day bounce, and that's exactly what happened here. We got a nice play out of this, 37.5 average, and dumped it at 42.4 here as it's moving higher. And then it just continues. But tops out at the breakout level. Decent volume. So if this could sustain, if it could keep up, and so far it is. It didn't. It got stuffed at 50 cents, but it never really completely broke down. It's still holding up pretty well near VWAP, near, I wouldn't necessarily say near the high of day, but it's held most of the gains, over half of it. So something to keep an eye on until this thing just dies out. So AVCT for the multi-day breakout, and then MGAM. This one was a nice mover yesterday. Now we're looking for the multi-day bounce. We got a solid push out of this, got to the low mid sixes here. We got our first red day, shorts are in control, and we're coming back to where it kind of had a hard time breaking down around 3.5. So maybe that would be an area that holds that it could reverse off of, whatever the fact, however it sets up. Excuse me. Just look for that high at daybreak, how AVCT was, how all of these plays really are. The best entry. Sure, there's probably other entries to play off of, but the confirmation of the momentum shift really comes from the high at daybreak. And then what else we got? PETZ. Here, another multi-day break. We got a low floater, former runner, kind of. We've had some moves out of this, but ends up failing. Um, but it has the ability to move. So we got this nice uptrend here, low float, breaking out of this range over four what 436 I think is what it was yesterday. Um, Decent volume perk, and here we are dipping, but selling is not that significant so far. So I think this has a decent chance, if not tomorrow, maybe Friday, as long as it's holding up pretty well here, to come back to the low fives, confirm this area, and then from there squeeze shorts out because we got a solid double top. Shorts are going to be in this. This thing does typically fail, and now we're getting a solid daily chart. We're just kind of bottoming out, making higher lows, and I forgot what's called. It's ascending triangle. I forgot what the name is. We got this solid top around 4, 430, and we keep getting these higher lows. So if the demand really picks up, I think we get a nice squeeze. I don't know if we'll get to 9, but I'll be looking for a move from 5 to 6, 6.5. But we got some resistance there. Um, So yeah, those are the top plays for tomorrow. And I do plan on making a video lesson in the morning as well. So hopefully that comes through. I want to go over the pre-market gainers, how I approach those in real time, what I'm looking at, and my thinking behind all of it. So haven't done anything like that. Should be cool. So yeah, there's the top plays. Hope everyone had a great day. Getting it into the end of the week here. So let's finish it strong as we don't have Monday. I think Monday is off. So it's gonna be a short week next week. Let's enjoy it while it lasts. Have a great one, and we'll catch you guys later.